Welcome! In this quick introduction, we'll write our very first Python program. Hello, Python. We'll see the code, understand each piece, and run it in a terminal. Here is the output we want to see on the screen. Hello, Python. We'll create a file named hello.py, and we'll write one line of code. This is our code editor window. In Python 3, we use the print function with parentheses, and we pass it a string. Let's type it out. Let's understand each piece. First, the word print is the function name. The parentheses open and close. They hold the input we give to the function. Inside, this text in quotes is called a string. It's the characters we want to display. Now let's run the program. We'll open a terminal and type python3 hello.py. Then we'll see the output on the next line. Small tips. You can use single quotes or double quotes for strings. Both are fine in Python 3. What matters is that they match and wrap the text. Common mistakes to avoid: forgetting a closing parenthesis or forgetting a quote. For example, missing the right parenthesis or missing a closing quote. Python will raise a syntax error. Recap. Step 1. Create a file named hello.py. Step 2. Write the line print open parenthesis quote hello, comma space, Python, exclamation, quote, close parenthesis. Step 3. In the terminal run python3 hello.py. That's it. Great job. You've written and run your first Python 3 program. Keep practicing. Change the message, run it again, and have fun learning Python.